else. Here's my advice. If you make it about someone else, even if you want something, don't try to sell it because you want it. Hey, you know what would really help me out if you did this? Whereas if you reversed it and said, hey, I was thinking, what do you think would get this result? And let them have the opportunity to give an idea or a suggestion. If you're thinking along the lines of why it's good for you, you're going to not communicate with them in a way that's going to resonate that you truly care. People don't care how much you know. People want to know how much you care. So if you approach people in where, Mrs. Smith, you said that you have kids this age, and how do you think they would feel about that backyard? If you're asking them and you're helping them paint the picture of seeing themselves in that house you're trying to sell them, now it's impossible for them to escape that fantasy you've created for them. Now they're more inclined to want to buy that service or what you're selling because you didn't make it about you. You kept it about them. And now you're making it personal. And once people feel that connection, price is no longer a factor. People always use the excuse, oh, they said it's too much. They said that they can't afford it. That's what people say because it's commonly accepted. So the best way to blow you off and get you to leave me alone is say, it's just out of my price range. There's a will, there's a way. And it makes us feel better to say, oh, that's impossible.